Hello geometers, welcome to the continuing lesson on base angles and base angles theorems. So we've talked about some vocabulary, we've proved the theorems, and now we're going to put those ideas to work by solving for some variables here when given a triangle. So we want to figure out the values of x and y and using this picture. So one thing right off the bat that you should notice here that these two side lengths are congruent. So what that means is that these two angles down here must also be congruent. They're the base angles. Okay? So the red ones that I drew in, those are base angles. They're congruent. Okay? Because this is an isosceles triangle. So if this angle in here is x minus 2, that means this angle here is also x minus 2. And when you look at the entire picture, you have three angles, x minus 2, x minus 2, and 4x plus 10, that all must add to 180. So x minus 2 plus x minus 2 plus 4x plus 10 equals 180. On the left side of the equation, we can just do some simplifying and combining of like terms. So x, and 4x, that'll give us 6x. Negative 2, and 10, that will give us 6. Because that's negative 4 and 10. That's equal to 180. Subtract 6. And then divided by 2. Sorry, divided by 6 again. This will give us 29. Okay. So x is equal to 29. And now you have a myriad of ways to find the variable y. I think the simplest way to do it is, well, I'm going to just redraw this picture out here. So this angle out here is 3y. This angle in here is x minus 2, but we know that x is 29, so this must be 29 minus 2, which is 27. Okay, so this angle in here is 27 degrees. So these two angles here are a linear pair, so that means we have 3y plus 27 must equal 180. Subtract 27 from both sides, we get 153. Then divide both sides by 3, and we get that y equals 51. Okay. And be careful not to put the degree symbol here, since y is just a variable. It's not the measure of the angles. So there you go. Just a quick example of showing you how to work through some of these problems that have congruent sides of a triangle, or in other words, an isosceles triangle. Okay. So I'll leave it to you as your homework, or to finish off your homework for tonight, to do numbers 2 and number 3 as well. Remember, try the different strategies, try different ideas. It might not always work out the first time. We keep working at it. As always, ask if you need help. Have a wonderful day.